I'm at this, I don't know what you call this place. It's nearby the library. They say it's the old library. So there's like kids singing competition going on, and I'm actually one of the volunteers to like clean up the mics after the kids are done singing. But then in the end, I ended up become like one of the videographers since it's my field. So my job has been passed down to one of the members' kids, I guess. So yeah, pretty stoked to be doing what I do best, which is making videos. At this time with the Osmo Action instead of my big ass Sony a7 III. So it's a little bit difficult because this is quite wide and I needed some like close-up shots because it might look good. And yeah, now it's like around 9:35. I know I'm still very tired from the trip, and then my legs are still really hard. It's really hard for me to walk around, especially when it comes to filming stuff inside. So yeah, the videos that you see just now, it's actually me kind of struggling when it comes to filming. But then, you know, I'll do whatever it takes to take a good shot, right? So yeah, nothing much going on inside. I don't have a lot of spaces to film, so it's quite challenging. But I will do whatever I can. So let's go back inside. So right now I'm gonna go back home. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be having lunch because I'm quite full right now, and then it's like around 11. So I'm just gonna go back and rest. Probably edit some videos. Just see whatever videos that I haven't edited yet. There's one documentary, like I mentioned in my previous video. Forgot which one already. I'll probably work on the documentary and then release it in these few days. This is like the most hardest vlog to ever film ever in my life. And it's just going down the stairs. Shit. Okay. Almost there. Okay. I'm not sure how am I able to drive though, because I don't think it's a good idea to drive after walking up, but then what else can I do? I'm tired, so yeah, just gonna try to force it, try to drive slowly, I guess. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so driving doesn't seem so hard. It's actually I'm actually quite surprised that I can still drive and drive and vlog at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now. So I think I'm gonna try to fly my drone right now. That's last time when I'm here, I never actually fly my drone, even though I bought it here. So now it's like not really a perfect time, but then I don't want to be like last time where I brought my drone here but I never get the chance to fly it. I really wanted to fly in town, but then I can't really find a place to fly and can't really find the right time to fly. So I'm just gonna get like a simple aerial shot of Pinampang, I guess. At least there's like a drone footage. At least there's like some drone footage. So yeah, let's try to find a spot to fly. So the signal here is not that good, so I'm probably gonna try to fly at the basketball court.
Is this really what you want?
Okay, so so it was okay. The drone shots, most of them are like mountains. I wasn't expecting mountains. A little bit of like a lot of like the what do you call it, like the buildings and stuff. But yeah, quite satisfied with the result. Hopefully I can get something in like the city, probably go to the beach and then have some drone shots, cinematic drone shots of like the beach. Yeah, that's what I really wanted actually. It's either the beach or like the city, so either one of them is good, or if I can get both of them it'd be better, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go back home and then just chill. Alright. Yeah, so today I didn't do much. Watched a lot of movies at home on Astro. It was the coincidence that they have like a lot of good movies. So yeah, today is just a very chill day. Feel so lazy, didn't edit any videos. But at least I'm shooting this video and I did some drone shots. So yeah, cool beans. So yeah, still waiting for them to be done. Waiting for my mom to settle everything, and then we'll be going out to dinner. So yeah, stay tuned for some food b-rolls. I'm not sure how am I gonna continue this video, but yeah, so I'm gonna join back with my mom again. Seems like they're about to finish, and then yeah, let's go. So yeah, that's basically what happened today. Nothing much. Not every day is as exciting as you thought it will be. Yeah, but the drone part is quite exciting though. But yeah, can't really make anything exciting today because it's all about rest, it's all about inner peace, it's all about getting back into the game. I don't know what game am I in, but then yeah, I just wanna get myself recovered to be able to do more when I'm in Miri. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Now it's like around 10:17. And I have to edit this vlog, and then I probably have to wake up early tomorrow. Probably. Maybe not. You see. Okay, bye-bye. Oh wait, don't stop and keep on creating. Alright.
Where is the door? I'm locked up in chains by empty